India. We are a land of paradoxes, a land of beliefs that are inherently diverse and believers that are equally unique. It is a magical place of dialects innumerable, food unbelievable, and cultures and rituals rooted in infinite faiths. We are bound together by the tricolour, one that instills hope, courage, and the feeling of being equal in everyone that looks up to it. It is our identity that has us standing united, come what may. And what better place to start this journey than the Statue of Unity. This tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is the tallest statue in the world, measuring 182 meters. To give you some perspective, that is about twice as tall as the Statue of Liberty. And I'm not even counting the base here. Amazing. It was built in 46 months flat, as 3,000 workers worked day and night to make this monument come to life. It took 70,000 metric tons of cement, 6,000 metric tons of steel, and 18,000 metric tons of reinforcement bars. This mammoth structure is plated in bronze that is 8 millimeters thick. And from the viewing gallery that overlooks the majestic Narmada River and the Satpura and Vindhyachal range, you'd realize that the only thing that's taller than the Statue of Unity itself, it is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's vision of a diverse but firmly united India. Soaking in the magnanimity of the Statue of Unity, you will be reminded of the towering task Sardar Patel executed. The museum housed at the base of the statue is an ode to the statesman, showcasing his journey and his role in overthrowing the colonial rule. He was instrumental in unifying the then princely states into one nation, one India. No surprises then that he is revered as the Iron Man of India and the unifier of India. And today we stand before him, united and free. Free to pick a direction and meander, because no matter where we go, it will always feel like home. We're free to explore our big country that's full of small hidden gems, and we're going to do just that. We'll be driving 1500 kilometers to say hello to India's biggest cats in this Hyundai's first compact SUV, the Venue. For India is the only country in the world where majestic lions and ferocious tigers coexist. Our journey will see us drive from Vadodara to the vast expanse of the Gir National Park and then into the deep jungles of Ranthambore in Rajasthan. Join us on this epic journey in pursuit of connecting back with Mother Nature. Now we're going to be spending a few days out in the wilderness, away from the hustle and bustle of likes, shares and follows. First stop, the land of the lion.